Let's see my classic car today. Keeping up with the security and the safety of your vehicle is really important. I have been noticing that the seat belt in my 79 Spider, Fiat Spider, is not in a good shape, so I thought to replace them as soon as possible. Welcome to MG Factor. In today's video, we will see how to replace the seat belt. Let me know in the comment if you would like to see a complete drive and walk around video of 1979 Fiat Spider. So this project came out of a request from my elder son. He is my co-driver, so whenever he used to pull the car seat, he used to complain. So I thought, why not change it up? Once he is back from school, he will be really excited to see the seat belt has been changed. This is an OEM seat belt, so I will definitely go ahead and save them. If in case in future I need to do for a complete restoration work, I can use those components. So I purchased these from Amazon. They are not original Spider seat belts, but they are modern day seat belts which really fits well. I will leave the detail of the product in the description for your reference. If you are enjoying the video, please do hit the like button. This really helps the channel to grow and keep me motivated to make such videos in future. Thank you. So excited to see the date stamped on the seat belt. It was original 1979. Repeat the same process to the other side of the car. It really came out well. The next project maybe is to get the back cushion. There are some rust in the spring which I will clean up, do a rust prevention coating and then put it back. So stay tuned for that video. I'm almost done and this really came out well. If you found this video helpful, do hit the bell icon so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. Do like, share and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.